Good morning guys, in front of me is Google Pixel 10 and let me show you how to locate serial number assigned to this device. First of all, open your phone gallery. Now enter keypad and provide secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. Here we've got device info with serial number at the bottom, also IMEI at the top of the list. Here you can check EID number or second IMEI, but serial number is at the bottom. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can also locate it via settings. So let's enroll the settings at first. Now find and select about device over here and go to model. And now you can also check serial number right here. So that will be all. It's super useful feature. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.